Hello friends, today's topic 10 stocks that have given highest profits to investors in the last 6 years. I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is service to society. Apart from the overall positive sentiment in Indian markets, the significant investment from one of the largest US government retirement fund is helping some large stocks to rally. A total of around 30,000 crores will be invested in the next few months into Indian stock markets for the US retirement fund. Out of the 30,000 crores invested in Indian stock markets, around 12,000 crores will be invested in large cap stocks in the Nifty 50 index itself. The following is the expected investment in stocks. Reliance Industries 2010 crores, ICICI Bank 1328 crores, Infosys 1320 crores, HDFC Bank 1187 crores, TCS 872 crores, Axis Bank 639 crores, Bharti Airtel 598 crores, L&T 581 crores, HUL 573 crores, Bajaj Finance 531 crores, Kotak Mahindra Bank 523 crores, M&M 398 crores, Maruti Suzuki 398 crores, ITC 365 crores, HCL Tech 340 crores. Even though the investment is not a very significant investment compared to the market cap of these companies, the news of the investment is likely to attract other institutions and retail investors to also invest in such stocks which could push markets higher. The stocks listed on BSE had a market cap of about 2 trillion, that is 166 lakh crores in June 2017, and it has touched 4 trillion 333 lakh crores in November 2023. The biggest contributors to the increase in market cap of the Indian markets are, and before that, here is a free announcement regarding our free webinar. Secrets of Stock Market is a topic. Webinar on Sunday, 3rd December, 10:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Cost of the webinar is 499, but good news is for the first 75 participants, it's absolutely free, and the seats are limited to the first 150 people on first come first serve basis, because normally somewhere around 300 people apply, and out of which 150 will be selected who have come first. Dr. Bharath graduates did not attend. What are the topics that will be dealt in this particular webinar on the secrets of success? How profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term. Because people think that stock market means loss. Plenty of money is in the stock markets, provided you know which stocks to select, when to invest, how to invest, and when to sell. And then we will give a glimpse of how many stocks have given what kind of returns in the past, and you can also guess what could be the profits in the future. Second topic that we cover is the basic fundamental analysis, by learning which you can create a large corpus for retirement, not in lakhs but in crores, but by investing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 years depending on your age and investment, and maybe you are going to invest in SIP without any hazards by investing 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 extra in a month, and then you can use that for your retirement corpus and children education and marriage and a new house at the time of retirement. Then basic technical analysis we will teach, by learning which you can create few thousands extra in a month apart from the salary to improve your lifestyle. Maybe this month you will buy a new mobile, next month you will go for new clothes for the whole family, third month you will go for a picnic, etc., etc. Now, how to register for the webinar is very simple. Send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with the email subject Kannada webinar with name and mobile number. You may be wondering why not click and get into the webinar, but you have noticed that only people who are interested should attend the webinar, and hence we are requesting for an email so that there is a minimum effort from your side to make sure that your interest levels are very high. Now, coming back to the topic of the video, biggest contributors to market cap from June 2017, 1. Reliance Industries 11.83 lakh crores since June 2017 in the term of market cap increase. In the title, I said the highest profit given shares in the last 6 years, but you should actually understand the highest market cap. In order to make people understand and to make it very short, I made it as a profit in the last 6 years. 2. TCS 8.13 lakh crores. 3. HDFC Bank 7.54 lakh crores. 4. ICICI Bank 4.73 lakh crores. 5. Bharti Airtel 4.37 lakh crores. 6. LIC 4.31 lakh crores. 7. Infosys 3.86 lakh crores. 8. Bajaj Finance 3.66 lakh crores. 9. HUL 3.52 lakh crores. 10. SBI 2.77 lakh crores. As mentioned yesterday, although there is some resistance for Nifty around 20,100 to 20,150 level, once it is broken, then a new lifetime high will be created for the Nifty and many individual stocks. End of the video, here is the question. Are you waiting for a correction to invest further for long term? Yes or no could be the answer. But I know what Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute people will type. Now, if you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.